guys, I wanted to do a quick voiceover today because today is the first Friday that you're going to have an assignment from all of your classes versus doing a map test or anything different. So today is going to look a little different. So I wanted to talk you through it so you knew what to expect. You are going to receive a shorter assignment from each of your classes today that need to be completed. But this is asynchronous, which means you can do them throughout the day. You do not have to do science work during your science period or math work during your math period. The only thing you need to make sure you do, and it's right up here, I've highlighted it, you need to do the attendance for all of your classes before 3 p.m. So you have any time after you wake up until 3 p.m. to complete the attendance form. And I have linked my attendance form right here. It's underlined, it's in blue font. So make sure you get that checked out before 3 p.m. So once again today, there is no Wondering of the World picture. I'm going to go ahead and create the October form this weekend, and you will start doing I Wonder About the World pictures again on Monday, whether you're in the building or remote. So look for another picture on Monday. So when I scroll down, there's the link right here that I'm making it right now. So it's not underlined in blue yet, but this will be underlined in blue as soon as I link the video that I'm making right now there. Okay, and I'm going to continue to scroll down. Here's our learning target. I will begin to explore the elements in the periodic table and begin to recognize their unique qualities. And I will be able to know that I'm successful if I can pick one element that is interesting and be able to explain why I think it's interesting. Okay, and as I keep scrolling down, here's the lesson that we're going to do today. So make sure you're taking attendance before 3 o'clock. You're going to click on this link right here. You're going to watch a video. You guys, it's another song. So make sure you get it stuck in your head because it's a good one. Then after you get that stuck in your head, you're going to click on the link right here and you're going to explore the periodic table a little bit. When you click on that periodic table, it gives you some interesting features about different elements and different things that you might want to learn about. Then there's an exit ticket that's clicked right here. I'm going to ask you in that exit ticket to tell me what one of the elements that you really found interesting, what was it? And why did you find it interesting? Down here, I've included a little form to show you how long things should take. Guys, I did it in class for my silver days today. I filled out the attendance form for them. It literally took us, I think, 7 seconds to fill out that attendance form. So that's not going to take you very long, but it's also your number one priority. Then that song, when you click on it, listen to it a couple of times. But if you really want to get it stuck in your head, listen to it some more. So I said it'll take you about 8 minutes or more if you really want it stuck in your head. Then your periodic table exploration, when you're doing that interactive periodic table website that's linked above, spend about 10 minutes just looking at the different elements that are on there and learn some things about them. And then your exit ticket, I don't think it'll take you all of 5 minutes, but I added 5 minutes in there just in case. So looks like you're not spending all that much time on science today, but just know that you can do this work anytime throughout the day and make sure that the attendance is turned in by 3. Always down here, important information, contact, request to speak with a counselor, all of that information is there. Hey, I will see you guys back in the building or on either Monday or Tuesday. Hope you have a fabulous weekend. I can't wait to hear all the amazing things that you guys do. Have a wonderful day. Love you all. Bye-bye.